Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this lecture, in this video, we will talk about the functions of the bile salt. Okay, so let's see. Before that, you must know what are the bile salts. Bile salts are sodium or potassium salt of bile acid which are conjugated with glycine and taurine. Okay, glycine and taurine are two amino acids which are conjugated here. Remember that. And next is, what is the function of the bile salt? Bile salts are required for digestion and absorption of the fat in the intestine. Okay, there are the 6 basic function of the bile salt given in the Simbulingam book. We will see it one by one. Then the first function is emulsification of fat, second is absorption of fat, third is cholaretic action, fourth is cholagogue action, fifth is laxative action, and the last one, prevention of gallstone formation. Emulsification of fat. Firstly we will see emulsification of fat. Before that, what is emulsification? Emulsification is a process in which fat globules are broken down into minor droplets, and these minor droplets are made in the form of milky fluid, and this milky fluid is also known as emulsion. Okay, all these process happen here as shown in table is emulsification process. This process happens in small intestine and with the help of bile salts. Okay, and we will see why. Because why lipolytic enzymes can't digest fat directly, why bile salts are required. There are two reasons here. First is insoluble in water, and second is high surface tension. Because of the high surface tension, fat is insoluble in water. Okay, that's why the lipolytic enzymes of gastrointestinal tract can't digest fat directly. Now what will bile salt do? Bile salt will show detergent action, and because of detergent action, it reduces surface tension of the fat, and after reducing the surface tension of the fat, the products will be easily soluble in water. Okay, now when it becomes soluble in water, it can be easily digested by lipolytic enzymes. And what happens to unemulsified fat? सॉरी, यहाँ पे फेट हो गया, लेकिन इमल्सिफाइड फैट इज एक्सक्रीटेड थ्रू द फीसेस, यानी एक्सक्रीशन से बाहर निकल जाएगा. द इमल्सिफिकेशन ऑफ फैट by bile into intestine is presence of lecithin from bile. It is the important point you need to remember here. Emulsification of fat में क्या होता है? lecithin जो important होता है, lecithin important होता है bile salt में से for the emulsification of the fat. Then the next function is absorption of the fat. Okay, how it will help to absorb for the absorption of the fat? Okay, bile salt along with the fat will form the complex of the fat, which is also known as micelles. And you seen in class 11 digestion absorption chapter how micelles can be easily absorbed in blood, and this is detailed in your first year MBBS. Okay, here bile salt plus fat forms complex of fat, and then it will form micelles, and these micelles can be easily absorbable. Okay, then third is cholaretic action. Before that, what is cholaretic action? Bile salt stimulate the secretion of the bile from liver. This action is cholaretic action. Okay, bile salt stimulate the secretion of the bile from liver. This is cholaretic action. Then next is cholagogue action. Cholagogue is a reagent. What is cholagogue? Cholagogue is a reagent which causes contraction of the gallbladder, and by causing the contraction of the gallbladder, it will release bile into the intestine. Okay, and what is the point here? For the release of the bile into intestine, we must require contraction of the gallbladder. And along with cholagogue, there is another one hormone, cholecytokinin, which causes the contraction of the gallbladder. Okay, then bile salt will act as cholagogue indirectly by stimulating the secretion of cholecytokinin. Okay, bile salt क्या करेगा? Indirectly cholecytokinin का secretion करेगा, जिससे क्या होगा? हार्मोन that will causes the contraction of the दिस हार्मोन की वजह से क्या होगा? कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ गॉल ब्लैडर होगा, और कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ गॉल ब्लैडर कॉजेज द रिलीज ऑफ बाइल रिलीज. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज द laxative action. Before that, what is laxative? Laxatives are the agent which induce defecation. Okay, bile salt act as laxative by stimulating peristalsis in intestine. क्या करते हैं? लैक्सेटिव आर द एजेंट विच हेल्प इन एक्सक्रीशन और डिफेकेशन. तो बाइल सॉल्ट क्या करेगा? बाइल सॉल्ट पेरिस्टाल्सिस को इंड्यूस करेगा. पेरिस्टाल्सिस से क्या होगा? फूड आगे ढकेला जाएगा, इसके वजह से क्या होगा? एक्सक्रीशन ईजी हो जाएगा. ओके, देन सो ये हो गई हमारी लैक्सेटिव एक्शन. देन द लास्ट वन इज प्रिवेंशन ऑफ गॉल स्टोन फॉर्मेशन. हाउ इट विल हेल्प इन प्रिवेंशन ऑफ गॉल स्टोन फॉर्मेशन. देखिए अभी गॉल स्टोन फॉर्मेशन के लिए दो इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, कोलेस्ट्रॉल और लेसिथिन. कोलेस्ट्रॉल इन एब्सेंस ऑफ बाइल सॉल्ट, कोलेस्ट्रॉल फॉर्म प्रिसिपिटेशन विथ लेसिथिन टू फॉर्म gallstone. Okay, cholesterol plus lecithin form gallstone, and bile salt prevents gallstone formation by keeping cholesterol and lecithin in solution. In absence of bile salt, bile salt जब absent रहेगा, कोलेस्ट्रॉल क्या करेगा, प्रिसिपिटेशन फॉर्म करेगा लेसिथिन के साथ, और जो कि क्या फॉर्म करेगा, गॉलस्टोन. ओके, यहाँ तक ये हो गया हमारा फंक्शंस ऑफ बाइल सॉल्ट. सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर वीडियोस एंड द लिंक ऑफ द PDF फाइल इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. चेक इट आउट. थैंक यू सो मच. Bye.